Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful Pebble crafts ideas, Pebble art ideas. So friends, let's start today videos friends. Viewers, so friends, Pebble art is a wonderful way to bring the beauty of nature into your home. Pebble art is the process of using small stones, pebble to create picture decoration and handmade design. Each pebble has its own shape, texture and color. Some are smooth and round, while others have interesting nature pattern. And friends, viewers, the best about Pebble art is that you don't need expensive sprays. You only need pebble or small stones, glue, a board or canvas, paint, simple decoration. With this base material you can create something beautiful. And dear viewers, friends, viewers, and Pebble family art. One of the most popular Pebble art ideas is creating family picture using small pebble as people's shape. A large pebble can become a body and smaller stones can become head or hand. Add tiny branches for tree or grass. And friends, viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz, viewers. Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video.